You guys having a good time? Are you getting a nice break? You deserve it. You deserve it. It's got to be nice to take time to have 4 days of peace and love and music to break up the other 361 days of unemployment. Peace, love, music, all beautiful things. $10 slices of shitty pizza. There's nothing like it. Have you been to the campgrounds at Bonnaroo? Have you seen the campgrounds? You filthy pigs. The campgrounds. There, you know you're getting your money's worth there. Tent City, we call it. What a fantastic refugee camp they have set up there. I believe it was set up by Potheads Without Borders. Yeah, seriously, I haven't seen that many dirty, unshowered dudes sleeping on the ground since Andy Dick's birthday party. I'm not kidding, this place, I was there. That place looks like the Superdome after Katrina. Only it's outdoors and without all the hope. There's trailers everywhere. People crapping in outhouses and on the grass. My only question is this. How is this different from the rest of Tennessee? Except that you paid $150 to get in. Wait, how much was the ticket? 300? Wait. Thank God for student loans. Oh, yes. Oh, God, this is a nice break, though, to come in here from all the heat outside. It's a nice break for you fish fans, too. It's especially unique for the fish fans. For many of the fish fans in the room here, this is their first time ever indoors. This will also be the first time most of the fish fans have gotten it. Last night was beautiful. It was probably the first time many of the people got to see fish in like 5 years. I mean, they broke up 5 years ago. I mean, that was really a loss when you think about it. I mean, 5 years. In that time, they could have played 3 songs. Folks, I'm not saying fish songs are long, but the original draft of the Gettysburg Address started with 4 fish songs and 7 years ago.